I'm going to take a look at a Raspberry Pi power switch, power adapter, wall wart adapter. This one has an inline off and on switch. Seems this is the only thing you're going to find on eBay, Amazon anymore. They're right around $7 on up. Let's get it out of the package and take a look. Okay, I'm a little bit disappointed because the cord is only about 3 feet, which means now I got to rearrange my rack system shelving where I have this thing plugged into. So there's an on and off switch. There's an audible click that doesn't tell you whether it's on when it's in or on when it's off. So it's supposed to be 3 amps. I don't have a volt-ohm tester with pins small enough to check that. And I don't have a plug on something that's defective. I could cut the leads off the backside and check. So anyways, I have no way to verify that information for you. Okay, we got it plugged in working. Raspberry Pi is going into ARS adapter. Over here to the TYT MD380.
168.0.
And it's coming alive.